In this video I'll show you the simplest way to make strontium nitrate. I'll do so using nitric acid and strontium carbonate. But here is the problem. If you add too much acid, your product will become extremely corrosive, and it will be a pain to remove the acid. However, if you don't use enough, you get a lot of unreacted strontium carbonate, and you don't want that. So basically you need to find the right balance. So here's a rule of thumb. 1 mole of strontium carbonate needs 2 moles of nitric acid to react to form the strontium nitrate. The reaction also releases a lot of gas, so it's important to add the nitric acid slowly. So to start, I'll dump in 100 grams of strontium carbonate in a larger beaker. Now I'll move it outside to avoid the room filling with toxic gas. Now you need to add about 90 milliliters of 70% concentrated nitric acid. Those red fumes is a small amount of nitrogen dioxide, so don't breathe that in. The next step is to slowly boil off all the water until these crystals start forming after a few hours. After it's completely dried, you can measure it and you should have about 130 grams of pure strontium nitrate. You can use this for a lot of things. It's also a key starting point if you want to make other strontium compounds. And that's all on how to make strontium nitrate. My next video will be coming out in a week or so.